Turn off the cold water valve. Open the faucet on the cold setting to let the residual pressure out. Take this the filter wrench and slide it up, and then loosen the filter, turning to the left. And you're going to want to put a cloth underneath this because there's water inside the filter housing. Pour out the water from the housing. Remove the filter. Put the new filter in. Make sure this O-ring is inside this groove. That's good. And then screw on the filter housing. Tighten it pretty good. Now open the faucet again. Slowly turn the water valve back on. As you're doing this, watch the filter to make sure that it's not leaking. Okay, there's leaking, so that means that the filter's not tight enough. So I'm going to use the wrench to make it a little bit tighter. Try it again, check for leaks. Still leaking. All right. We got the water valve fully open and it's not leaking anymore. There you go. That's what it looks like on cold. Hot without filter, so you can see how on cold runs a bit it's a bit less flow because it's being filtered. Flush water through the new filter for 15 minutes when the water will go from cloudy to clear, and you're ready to use and drink it.